Hi, it's Peter from the sales team here at Gale Industrial Supplies, and behind me we have the new Berghaus radar controlled traffic lights. This is a quick instructional video on how to assemble, set up and use these radar controlled traffic lights. One of the main features of the Berghaus radar controlled traffic lights is that they can be purchased as a set of two, but you can also add a third or fourth head to allow the user to go three-way traffic or four-way traffic, which is very beneficial to the user. One of the biggest features of these lights is that they have 13 different functions which can be set up here manually. The most popular being function 8, which is automatic on-demand mode. This means that when the lights are operational, they will pick up traffic flow through the radar control system to allow traffic flow more easily. So to set up a two-way traffic system, we have a transmitter unit and a receiver unit. First of all, we make sure that we're on function 8 on each one. And to begin, we make sure that each system is on frequency 1, which you can see here. 1 on the transmitter and 1 on the receiver. So the next step in our setup is to set the transmitter to T+1R, which is transmitter plus our one receiver. And on our one receiver, we just make sure that we're on R1, which means we're using our transmitter and one receiver. We want to calculate the speed and the distance between the traffic lights. This has to be done on both the transmitter and on the receiver unit. We'll show you how to do it on this one. So as you can see here, we have clearance speed and we have clearance distance. So in a normal situation where you have a 30-kilometer speed limit and you want to set it to maybe 100 meters, you can go across the chart here, and 30 kilometers speed limit at 100 meters is 16 seconds. How we set 16 seconds is on the first dial here, we go to 10, and on the second dial, we go to 6. So 10 plus 6 gives us 16 seconds, and this is replicated on the receiver unit also. The next stage in our setup is the green phase in seconds, as you can see the dial here. This is to set the amount of time that the lights are set on the green light. So I'm going to set it here to 30, and also here on the receiver to 30, which means the lights will stay on green for 30 seconds. In a situation whereby the user wants to set up the lights for four-way movement of traffic, we have T+3R, which is transmitter plus 3 receivers, and we set the dial to receiver 1, receiver 2 and receiver 3 on the other unit. This gives us one transmitter plus 3 receivers for four-way traffic flow. Thank you.